Just as a Google map is composed of countries, cities, streets, a user story map has its own components. The first one is the user persona, or who is going to use your product. Then we map these persona to their goals. What do they want to achieve with your product? Next, we map out the thought process of a user trying to achieve this goal as user activities. Together, the goals, personas, and activities describe what we call the narrative flow, or the backbone of a story map. User activities are further broken down into user stories, which specify how someone can complete these activities within your product. Once your team has an understanding of the end-to-end user journey, you can separate your stories into releases,